Hi, I'm Elle from Elle Herself. I changed my life and turned my health around by embracing an active lifestyle and by following a low-carb, high-fat, ketogenic diet. I'm here to support and inspire you to do the same and to live a healthy, sustainable way of life. I created this program to empower you, to give you the tools you need to change your life, because you deserve to look and feel your absolute best. It has over 40 healthy, easy to cook and delicious recipes. Meal plan shopping lists to make your grocery shop that much faster and easier. Monthly meal plan that can be customized for your individual goals. Support on how to make lasting lifestyle changes so that you can stay on track regardless of whether or not you're traveling or eating out. Body love content to help you find peace and balance wherever you are in your journey. Your new healthy lifestyle starts here. Join me today and become your best self.